Some days I get quiet and get distant, cause it's the only way I can get you to listen. I didn't wanna do this, but you made me. Baby girl, you really drive me crazy. You say don't text you when I'm drunk like you Stacy, but you just say you wanna have all my babies in a drop top.
Guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. I don't want to say I bring you guys the best news, but do I not bring you guys the best news ever? Today, we are talking about GM, okay? So GM, it has to do with the C8. They are shifting Corvette production into high gear. You heard that. You heard it right. They are shifting Corvette production into freaking high gear. I got my handy dandy tablet here, which I just cracked the screen. It sucks, but I'll have it up on the screen as well, guys. We are watching Cars and Drivers. I love me some Cars and Drivers. Now, ooh, I'm so sorry. This one is Muscle Cars and Trucks, not Cars and Drivers. It says here that the plan is beefing its production records and goals. It is beating old records that they've had. General Motor Bowling Green assembly plant is powered back up, and it is shooting the C8 Corvette of the production line despite a stroke of bad luck in early December. Okay. The plant even utilized its rare Saturday shift, so they're working on the weekends. I mean, they have workers coming in now. I mean, that'll help because it's been shut down for earthquakes and this and that, and I mean, they've been hurting, so people paychecks have been looking a little smaller. That's why you hear about all these strikes and, well, why aren't we working, and, you know, big deals. So just to talk off of some numbers, GM sold 32,042 Corvettes last year in America. That's up 53% of the supercar best since 2015. 2015 was when they stopped making the last C7 around, I think. That's a milestone significant because 2015 was the third year of the C7 was on the market. So again, yeah. So this new C8 was coming out. Everybody said, hey, let me start grabbing the C7. So it did good in 2015. But of course, the C8 brought that fresh supercar lover with a normal price range for a supercar, best supercar price range to get into supercars. So that's awesome. The C8 is also into its year 3. 2022, when the Z06 generation was introduced. You may remember the Big Nasty. A new Z06 is also coming this year. Don't forget the new C8 Z06 is coming. That is going to be awesome. The 5.5 liter beast, revving to what, like 85 or 8900 RPM. Correct me in the comments below. But that number is also going to be ridiculous. Bowling Green assembly plant had been the victim of bad strikes. Like I said, tornado last year. Rooftop fire, museum sinkhole, damages was so extensive enough that it warranted massive insurance claims, inclusive the total loss about 120 Corvettes from the hailstorm, or the hail from the tornado and the weather. Remember, they got rid of 120 brandly produced, and they're not going to throw it on the market or sell them or do anything. They're just getting rid of them. All right, but let's talk about some good news. All right, so while the plant seldom reached a 920 goal in the average, about 854 cars last November, according to Corvette blog, this means that it beats its usually weekly production by 182 vehicles. All right, so we're up almost 200 vehicles. The last Corvette that rolled off the assembly plant Saturday was VIN 12,059, and the plant was closed Monday for Martin Luther King Day, which might be explain the call for Saturday shift. So hey, we want to keep production going at least 5 days a week. We were closed for a federal holiday, so why not come in and do it that way? It says the Bowling Green assembly plant has been in mainstream in the heritage of building Corvettes, right? It's been exclusive home for the Corvette since 1981, responsible for production of the 2023 Z06. They do not know, we do know that of those cars, 1,036 Corvettes built, none of them were Z06s at a production as of yet for this year. All right, so what is this video about? Just letting you know, Bowling Green, Kentucky Z06 GM plant is in full effect. They're busting out numbers. They're making it happen. They're trying to catch up. They had a rough year last year, and now this year they're taking over. The 2023 Z06 is on its way, and it's coming to a plant, or it's still near you. I'm very interested in it. We'll see how finances are set up. I'm motivated to see. what they can do with it. I hope you guys are motivated as well, guys. Keep it short and sweet. Until next time, you're not watching. I say Josh, and I appreciate the love, the respect. Please like the video and share the content. I will keep you guys up with the latest and greatest. The link in the description is below for this video. Shout out to, again, Muscle Cars and Trucks for this information. I'll make sure I post that link below. And save you guys some time. I mean, that's what I'm here for, right? I love car content. Hopefully you guys are here because you love car content too. I say Joshin is 80% mostly car content related, whether it be car news or just me shooting it out with the ZR1 or the ZL1 doing stuff. If not, the other percent is hanging out, doing some cool stuff out wherever the Army sends me. So thank you guys again, and I'll see you later.
Some days I get quiet and get distant, cause it's the only way I can get you to listen. I didn't wanna do this, but you made me. Baby girl, you really drive me crazy. You say don't text you when I'm drunk like you Stacy, but you just say you wanna have all my babies. In a drop top coupe going